Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yarrow tea. First, you need to correctly identify yarrow, which is known for its distinctive flat-topped clusters of small white flowers. The best time to harvest yarrow leaves and flowers is in the morning, after the dew has completely dried. You can use either fresh or dried yarrow to brew your tea, both offering wonderful herbal benefits. Now, let's prepare your tea. If you're using dried yarrow, measure out 1 to 2 teaspoons per 8 ounces of hot water. For fresh yarrow, you'll want to use a bit more, about 1 tablespoon for every 8 ounces of water. Once you've combined your yarrow with hot water, let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes to extract all those beneficial compounds. After steeping, it's time to strain your tea. Use a fine mesh sieve or a piece of cheesecloth to remove all the plant material, leaving you with a clear, golden liquid. If you prefer, you can add a touch of honey or a squeeze of lemon to enhance the flavor. Enjoy your yarrow tea warm, and you can drink 1 to 3 cups daily. Yarrow tea offers several wonderful benefits. It's often used to support healthy digestion and may help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Many also find it helpful for alleviating cold symptoms and promoting a sense of relaxation. Speaking of good things, make meal prep easy with those leak-proof containers. Check out the description for a link to them, as well as other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.